I was tired of waking up every day just to work for somebody else's dreams. While the bills kept rising, my family time kept shrinking. And I knew deep down something has to change, right? So that's why I joined the Legacy Builder program. And today I'm going to share with you what I have learned so far. So let me turn my camera around. Okay, guys, quickly, let's get started. So, basically, the Legacy Builder program is actually part, of the digital marketing niche, right? So, inside the digital marketing niche, we have sub niches, right? Like ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, and digital products, also e-learning industry. So basically they are all parts of the digital marketing niche. So basically the niche is huge, and the Legacy Builder is part of the e-learning industry, right? So as you can see here, according to Forbes, is 325 billion in 2025, guys. So this is huge, right? So this is a huge market, and I don't know why you don't want to have a slice a slice of the business. So quickly, let's go through my presentation here. So what is in the program actually? So basically, the Legacy Builder, as we have seen, is part of the e-learning industry. So you have 4 income streams. Let me see if I can show you that, right? So this is the package that you will get. As the time I'm recording this video is $900, and it comes with 4 income streams altogether, right? And you get 100% profit. Quickly, let me share with you a story. I'm promoting affiliate product, back in the day. So if you want affiliate products, you only earn a percentage of the sales, yet you are doing the hard work, right? So my question is for you, do you want to get 25% of commission while you are working hard, or do you want to get 100% profit for the same effort? So that's why digital marketing is actually the way to go. You get 100%. So with Legacy Builder program, $900, so you have 4 income streams: the Launchpad, the passive daily blueprint, the digital mastery, and the Legacy Builder program, right? And this one costs 100 at the time I'm recording this video. So 300, 600, and 900, right? When you have the Legacy Builder, so you have 4 income streams. When you have the digital mastery, you have 3 income streams. When you have the passive daily blueprint, you have 2 income streams. So meaning, if let's assume that you are here, right, at the $600 income streams that you have, right? If somebody buys from here, you still get the commission directly into your account. So no need to wait a month for you to get the money, like in affiliate marketing, for example. You wait a certain lapse of time in order for you to get your money. But here you get the money directly into your account, into your PayPal or your Stripe. You have your money, right? So if somebody's by here 300, you still get the money, etc., right? So this is a quick note here. Let's continue our presentation. So at any time you can ask the questions, right? So I already talked about the 4 income streams. So the difference between the packages, so they are all you know, you'll get trained. Basically, you get trained, you'll get coaching, you get mentoring. So at anytime, let's assume that you are here as a launchpad and you want to upgrade to the passive daily blueprint. So you don't pay 200, you pay only 200, so you pay only the difference. So at each time you want to upgrade, so you pay the difference. You don't pay the full, you know, 600, you know, for the digital mastery. So if you are here, you only pay 300 to upgrade, right? Which is awesome. So that is the difference between the packages. And you know, if you have a one income stream here, you know, you can only resell this income stream, and you'll get the training to do so, right? Quickly, let me continue. Yes, and you will see that you'll get access to the digital community growth. So this one is as bonus. So we'll see that when I'm going to talk about the bonus. So basically, this is our community, and as you can see here, it's you know, 55,000, more than 55,000 members, guys. You know, which is really awesome. You know, and 169 are currently online. You know, which is really great. So, and we'll see. Let me see quickly. Let me see. So this, I want to show you the wins. So these are the wins. So everything that you do that's making you close to your goal, it's a win, right? It's a win. As you can see here, right? We have 300 here. Okay, it's good. Let's see. So all these are wins, guys. We have 900 over here. So as you can see, we have, yeah, all those are wins, right? So yes, we have another 900, 2700, you know, the dreams come true, 1200, 900, 900. Yes, so as you can see, all those wins are based on people effort. 100 here. So, and we have, as you can see, more than 1,000 wins over here, so which is really awesome, right? So and quickly here, let's see. So how much you pay upfront? So yeah, you pay $900, you know, to get the legacy builder package, and you know, basically you have 4 income streams. You know, it's one-time payment. Guys, I still remember back in the day when I was promoting a program, and you know, I have to pay monthly. I have to pay monthly in order to keep my subscription active, you know. So yeah, and with the legacy builder program, you pay only one time, and you have you know, you have 4 income streams, guys, you know. So if you are relying on your 9 to 5, you know, this is completely gambling. This is completely gambling, because you can lose your job at any time, you know. So that's why you need additional income streams. You need to add something else, right? And with the legacy builder program, it will teach you how you know, you can work basically 2 hours per day, you know, consistently, and still make daily pay, right? So yes, you can as you can see, you can upgrade later. So you can start small and upgrade basically using you know, only the difference. It's something that we have seen, and you can ask me questions anytime, guys. So yes, and if you are in the legacy builder, you will have something that we call, you know, the breakup room, right? Where we'll work together as legacy builder team, and in a small group, and we talk about what's working, and we have our mentor, and we'll be working together. This is really awesome, right? So let's quickly go to the next. So, and what you get inside, you'll get training, step-by-step training, and you will get live coaching, and let me quickly show you quickly here. Basically, quickly I will go up, see 50,000. So let's go here. Let me go here very quickly. Quickly here, let's go here, classrooms, calendar guys. So as you can see here, we have a lot of training here. We have a lot of training, right? Free webinar, we have training, mentoring, so all over, every time, basically. All right, so which is really awesome. You have time to ask questions. You have access to the community. If you have any question, you can still do so. You have the digital rights, which is very good, 100%. Right, you have as I have highlighted as a coaching, right? And let's quickly go here. Yes, you keep 100%, and you can ask, how the company is making money, right? How the company will make money if you are keeping 100%. So basically, you pay $29 one time for the company, right? And you will get access to a website or funnel, that is proven to work. Basically, my mentor did 6 figure in 6 months using this funnel, this exact funnel. So you will have the privilege to use it, right? You have the privilege to use it, and it comes with automations, email sequence that are proven to work. All you need is to update your payment information so that the money will go directly to you, and it will teach you everything. You don't need to be tech guru, you will have a step-by-step training on how to do about it. And also, the more people succeed with the program, the more valuable the community becomes, and that's how actually the company is making is making her money, is making the money. And basically, my mentor is happy if she is able to help so many people succeed, right? So now, yes, if you are camera shy, you don't want to show your face, it's fine as well. It's fine as well, because we'll teach you, how you can do faceless marketing. Basically, you can go faceless. You can go faceless. We'll teach you how to do that. We'll give you the training. But in my case, I decided to do to show my face, and to do videos, because I like doing videos. Videos, are relatable. But this is only me. But we have the training if indeed you want to go faceless, right? And as we can see here, I have applied the training, and one of my video got almost 3,000 likes, 150,000 views, or 800 comments, 532 saved. I got so many leads that day, 213 leads in one day, guys, on all free. I didn't pay for ads or something. So meaning, the training my mentor is doing, the training works, because that was amazing. She documented her journey and how she got a result, and she's sharing that, and we just apply and got result as well, right? So let's quickly go, and here let's see the pro and con, by the way. So you will get step-by-step process, you know. Even if you don't have any experience, you know, it's okay, you know, because the training is step by step, and if you can ask questions at any time, you know. You can have 4 income streams, right, which is legacy builder, and basically, if you know, you can't afford 900 upfront costs, you can still start small and grow big by paying only the difference, you know. There is a learning curve involved, you know, because you need to learn, you know, how basically to create trust, you know, how to be relatable, how to do marketing, you know. It takes time, but the problem is everything is hard, my friend. Everything is hard. So, you know, if you are working for a boss, you know, you have to go to work every day, you know. And my point is, you have to decide which hard do you want, right? Do you wanna do 3 short form video, you know, 1 minute 7 seconds, or 1 minute if you want to daily, you know, and make daily pay? Or do you want to work, you know, until you reach 65 for the boss, you know, etc. So that's the question here, so you need to ask, right? And here we have all the bonuses that you will get, right? All the bonuses, guys. So basically, as you can see here, it's bonus 1 or bonus 2. Let me see if I can show you here quickly here. Let's go here. Let's go. Let me drag the cursor. So by the way, guys, the link is in the description. You can go at any time. All right. So, and let's go here. I'm quickly want to show you. This is something that you have access to as soon as you click the link on the link on the bio at your email. So you will have access to all of this, right? So this is a different packages, and I would like to show you the bonuses, right? So the first bonus will be the community access. You will have the community access, right? That is the first bonus. This one is the first bonus that you will get. You have access to the community for free, and all of these guys. Canva, you know, my mentor first million in 17 months, you will get that. 30-day marketing strategy. This is you know, if you want to go faceless, you know, the value is 300, which is awesome here. Guys, yeah, you know, I will let you go through all of this, and if you have any questions, please let me know. So yes, guys, like, share, and subscribe if you didn't do so, and see you in the next video.